me Adiba. Welcome back to Adi's World. So today I am going to show you how to make a cake in a cup.
Welcome to Adi's World.
Welcome back to Adi's World, and I have not seen you guys in a really long time, and I'm happy to see you back. So because I haven't seen you, I've been busy with my study, and then COVID-19 came. I hope you guys are really fine, you're okay, your family members are fine. So today we're going to show you how to make a cake in a cup. The ingredients that we will need is chocolate. It can be any type of chocolate, milk chocolate, dark chocolate, white chocolate, any of your choice. So we're going to need a spoon and some butter, an egg. I'm going to make a small cake, so I only need one egg. If you want to make a big cake, you can get 2 eggs. Self-raising flour, vanilla extract, baking powder, a little cup because we're making a cake in a cup, sugar, milk, and obviously a bowl and a thing to mix with it. Okay guys, let's get into the video. Okay, my lovely people, so we're gonna need to break this chocolate into pieces and put it in the bowl so that we can melt it. And we're gonna use really hot water. So you're gonna need an adult to be with you to do this. So my mom's gonna help me put the water inside. But first, let's break these chocolate into pieces. Put vanilla extract. So now we're gonna put some baking powder in and put a little, like this much in. Now we will need 1 cup of self-raising flour. It's ready, and we're gonna put it in the microwave. This is my lovely cute little brother. Dad. It's done. Our cake is done. We put some Nutella on, and now we're gonna put it in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. 20 minutes is gone, and now I'm gonna finally taste my cake. Now I'm gonna taste my cake. I'm so excited. so much. My cake is really tasty. It may look funny, but it tastes really awesome. If you want, you can also try it. Bye bye.